As you can see from my screen over here, I have two views of the plan. I have a view of the existing ground floor and a view of the new ground floor. I would now like to place at least one of these views on a layout. So I go to my layout book, which is over here, and I'm going to now choose a new layout. So what I'll do is I'll right click on plans and say new layout, and I can give it a custom ID or I can leave it like that, but the layout name, I'm going to call this new ground floor plan, and I over here will choose what I want. I want A3 landscape, so I choose that, and that's what happens. If I double click on my mouse, center button of my mouse, it brings this nicely into shape. And if I return to the previous view and I drag and drop the new ground floor, it lands in the middle there, and I can now come along and trim the edges. Now remember, I mustn't be there because it'll change, it'll stretch the scale. I want to be here so that I can actually trim this view. Probably want to see that section line, although I might end up trimming that section line a bit, because as you can see it's not going to fit on my drawing. So let's leave it out in the meantime, but in practice you'd probably tidy that up nicely and bring it together. And the same with this one over here. By right clicking, I also have the option, by going over to this side over here, I have the option, for example, I could remove the title, which is this strip at the bottom here. I could remove that title. I can also edit various features of that title. There are times when I want to do that. In this instance I don't. So there we have my plan, and it's placed, and that is a view of the new ground floor. In the next lesson I will prepare for you. I will actually put together a cover sheet so that we can actually see an index on that cover sheet. Good.